Hello pretties, welcome back to my channel. I know you're tired of influencers telling you to buy original perfumes that cost your entire allowance. Like seriously? We all want to smell fresh and unforgettable, not just by using perfumes. Yes, that helps, but we know there are basics. To be more precise, in this video I've shared with you important 5 hacks in the life of that clean, fresh girl that'll make you feel like a walking luxury ad, fresh, flawless, and slightly mysterious. Let's get into it. Hack number 1, your shower routine. Quick question. What does your shower routine look like? Wash your body, then shampoo, then conditioner? Done? Sis, you're doing it wrong. This is the right order. First shampoo, second conditioner, third scrub, fourth shaving, then finally wash your body as well. And this step after shower is more important. Apply your favorite body lotion on damp skin. Is to hydrate your skin so your skin doesn't look dry like a desert. Hack number 2, oral hygiene. Imagine you're talking about something important, but the other person is only focused on your bad breath. I can't imagine it. Bad breath can take you from a 10 out of 10 to a 1 out of 10 real quick. So, here's how to fix it in a few simple steps. Flossing is non-negotiable. Tiny food particles get stuck between your teeth that your toothbrush can't reach. So, this is the first step. The second is to use a tongue scraper and remove that white coating on your tongue because it's the main cause of bad breath. Then now you can brush your teeth. Step 4. Oil pulling. Switch coconut oil in your mouth for 3 minutes. It helps reduce bacteria. And this is the secret. It also helps whiten your teeth. Hacks number 3, underarms. If you've done those 2 hacks and you smell amazing, but you're ignoring your underarms, please don't move, because the moment you do, you'll attract even more attention and criticism. Girl, you first need to shave your underarm hair because it makes odor worse and traps bacteria. And every morning, use deodorant, then you can move around with confidence. So if you follow these simple steps, you won't have to worry about sweat odor or your underarm hygiene. And if you're interested in taking extra care of it, leave me a comment and wait for the next video. 4. Period hack. If the smell coming from down there, especially on your period, I wouldn't recommend putting any fancy products down there because it's a self-cleaning organ. Just drink cranberry juice, not the sugary version. I know it doesn't taste good, but it really helps. And the last step that truly made a huge difference for me is creating your own scent aura, a signature smell around you. The difference between just not smelling bad and actually smelling amazing is what makes people notice you and remember you by your scent. My secret isn't an expensive perfume, it's smart layering. I start by moisturizing my body with a lotion or a body oil to help the scent last longer. Then I use a body spray to give a soft first touch. And finally, I choose my main perfume, usually something soft and gentle, like coconut or vanilla scents. They feel more romantic and feminine. The key is that each layer complements the other, so the scent feels balanced and unique without being overpowering. People will think you're wearing an expensive perfume, and just like that, you've won, smart girl. Thank you for watching. And follow for more.